I35equipment.com is Komatsu PC240 LC-10 hydraulic track excavator. Welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. Bring your mechanic and operator, or hire some local ones to accompany you if you like. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call. Get on the calendar. Our phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote to your farm, job site, or shop, just fill out the form on our website. We'd be happy to look into that for you. We send equipment all over the country, so get it shipped to you. It should not be too big of an issue. This machine is a one-owner machine. Been well cared for and serviced. Has a full cab with good glass and full working air conditioning. 3 travel speeds. So it has those hand guardrails around the top there. Weld-on side guards. Really nice and clean, straight sheet metal on the sides. Look like it's been operated by the owner. It's got really good digging power. Also has switchable control patterns. You just open up that back panel and flip the handle, and it goes to either backhoe or your SAE or ESO controls, depending on which one you prefer. So no matter who's operating it for you, they're feel comfortable and at home on the inside. It does have the 3 different travel speeds. They are all operational. Got good power, good control, turns well. Be a nice machine to add to your fleet. We'll check out the bucket and the undercarriage, and we'll move in the cab after he climbs out and show you the operator station. The owner of this machine does have the tube teeth there for the outside. Supposed to be getting those here and getting them hooked on. This is the factory Komatsu seat with a cover on it. You can already feel that cold working air conditioning. And I can hear the radio going, so let's see if we can figure it out together. Check it out. We can get to a station I know of to make sure it's coming in clearly. Yep, working radio. That preset for you. Check out the rear view camera. It does have a working rear view camera. Might be tough for you to tell, but here it's working well. Currently 7079 hours. Horn. Throttle. There's your headlight switch. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope this video was beneficial to you. As always, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.